All right, I was hoping for some positive Peloton news this week, but unfortunately, that does not seem to be the case at all. So, with the recent pseudo announcement from Peloton that they are going to be canceling all live bike boot camps for the foreseeable future. And boot camps are really one of my favorite aspects of Peloton outside of Power Zone training. So I wanted to discuss this and also hear your thoughts. Let me know in comments if you like or don't like Peloton's boot camp classes, or if this change is upsetting to you or not. Let me know. So Peloton released a new schedule for live classes earlier this month, and a lot of people noticed that there were no live bootcamp classes on the schedule, which, it seems strange, but Peloton didn't respond, so a lot of people figured that it would just sort of be there, just maybe not on a strict weekly set schedule. Well, that new schedule started this week, and instead of Peloton Bike Bootcamp showing up, they released a new collection called Bike Bootcamp Triple Threat. Now, this collection contains 3 classes, 2 of which are new on-demand classes from Robin Arzon and Callie Gluckison, and the third, an older class, being from Cody Rigsby. And evidently, this is how every week of Bike Boot Camps will be presented from now on. No longer will there be any live classes, just with 2 new on-demand classes paired with a third older class that you can find in this growing collection. Jess Sims clarified all this on an Instagram story, saying, quote, "Every Monday we will drop 3 bike boot camps under collections. 2 new and 1 pre-existing. We recommend taking 3 a week to feel the amazingness of what these classes offer, and we are excited to have 3 strategic classes each week: full, upper, and core." Okay, so that clarifies things a bit further, knowing that each week you'll have a full body, a core, and an upper body boot camp. And the whole thing is also just very strange to me, since way more participants, like 5 to 10 times more participants than the tread bootcamp classes, which those are also great and maybe even better on the tread, but those classes are going to continue their live schedule, but a little bit more limited, because if you look at the Peloton tread bootcamp schedule, while it's pretty consistent with having live bootcamp classes every day now except for the weekend, which also means they seem to have gotten rid of my favorite bootcamp class, which is Adrian Williams' Thunder 45, which normally takes place every Sunday and is no longer part of the lineup. And Peloton themselves is saying that members should not expect to see regular live bike bootcamp classes for the foreseeable future, and instead these type of classes will occasionally show up as special live classes on an infrequent basis, likely for events or specific challenges. Now, some of the reasons for these changes could have to do with the upcoming rower, maybe taking Jess and Adrian away from their normal boot camps to begin developing content for that. That is certainly a possibility, although it doesn't really explain the complete drop in live bootcamp classes. And then there's the new in-person classes, which is understandably not feasible for Peloton to be able to run with live participants, which is probably why they are dropping a lot of those weekend bootcamp classes like Adrian Williams' Thunder 45. But I'm just really not sure, and it just seems so strange because these bootcamp classes are really one of Peloton's biggest selling points as to why somebody doesn't need to go to the gym or go to Orange Theory or something like that, because you can get a very similar experience at home. I've long since tried to fully understand what Peloton is thinking anymore, because half these decisions feel rushed and illogical, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's something that I'm missing. So please let me know if I am in the comments. Again, love to hear your thoughts. This is Colin Jenkins with Connect to Watts, where we cover connected fitness news, reviews, and more. So if you like content like this, make sure to subscribe. And as always, appreciate you being here, and see you next time.